nobody. What are you trying to do with this?
Spider-Man 60!
No, I was giving you the hook shot, but I can give it to you if you want.
Spider-Man has a hammer!
Unlock the hatchet.
Spider-Man has a hammer!
Straight back.
I repeat, Spider-Man has a hammer. But this hammer's slowing Spider-Man down. The hammer's gotta go! Hey, yo! No. Hey, yo, Blue! Hey, yo, Blue, free hammer!
I will be back.
You can't blow me up. There's a criminal! Shoot! Spider-Man don't like explosives!
No, that's mine.
Spider-Man don't like explosives!
Okay. Yeah, I'm not that much of a big back.
Here, bro. I had a couple bites.
Ooh, the Spider-Man universe. How can I help you, big sir? My name's Spider-Man.
Hi. Hi.
Hello there. You're very big.
I know.
You're not a criminal, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get out of the border.
Fair enough. Well, gotta go. Spider-Man duty.
Hi.
Hello.
I'll get an adventure backpack. Give me this, bro. Give me this, bro.
No, that's mine!
Womp womp. Cry about it.
Don't take my freaking stuff!
Bro, there's more down here.
Spider-Man!
Oh.
Spider-Man! Oh my god, Spider-Man just got blew up! Spider-Man does not like explosives! Spider-Man does not like explosives!
Peter!
What? What?
It's 3 miles! It's 3 miles!
No, it's in Miles. It's in Miles.
Hello?
Peter, get your butt.
Yeah, bro. Somebody stole my other
Ow!
ground.
Ow!
I'm gonna shoot an RPG.
No, you won't.
I just shoot you then.
You will not shoot the RPG.
Yes, I will. If you do that one more time, I will just. Yep, I'm shooting it. Hi, Spider-Man. Hi, Spider-Man. Hi, Peter. I'm back.
Hi, Miles. He's a bad guy. He's a bad guy. The red guy. He's a bad guy.
He's a bad guy?
Yes.
You say
He's got bombs.
we have Shelby. What? He got bombs?
He's got bombs.
Who got bombed?
Man is retiring.
Hey.
Are y'all going in? Are y'all going in there?
I could outrun him. Do not go in. Do not go in.
There is danger over there.
Oh wait, wrong. Yes.
Okay.
I'm Spider-Man though. I need to save people.
All pets.
What is that? What is that?
See if I can finally get official winner.
No, Spider-Man. Spider-Man does not do that level. Oh, you know what? Spider-Man does do this level. Spider-Man. Spider-Man needs us. Oh my god. Spider-Man. Spider-Man needs to. Spider-Man needs to get this straight away.
Friend me. Want to drift? I'm at the friending thing.
I will need helping. I'm Spider-Man. Shoot! I want to stay on the wall.
Whatever it's called, chasing me. Help me now.
Copy that.
You guys are coconut heads.
Shoot! Actually, kind of busy right now. Sorry.
Ignore stuff.
Kind of busy right now. Spider-Man's kind of busy.
Stupid zombies. Oh, stupid.
Shoot! Shoot! Spider-Man will help! Fire! Spider-Man will help! Don't worry!
So, who wants to do Squid Games? Go to couch. Go to couch if you want to do Squid Games. I want to. Alright, go to
You will
couch.
not
Go to couch.
see another day! Oh no!
You guys wanted to be pumpkin
No, no.
time.
No.
Guy with like that tall. Guys, one of them are low. One of them are low.
The Spider-Man will save you! With a sword!
Yo, one of them are low. One of them are low. You see that?
Where? I need my grapplers! I need my grapplers! I got one! Spider-Man's not cut out for this! Spider-Man's not cut out for this! Ah! Oh my god! I need help! Spider-Man needs help! Over! I'm out. Oh my god! Spider-Man's not cut out for this crap! Spider-Man's not cut out for this crap! Spider-Man's not cut out for that crap! Let's go! No, don't go! Do not go! And you're cooked.
Guys, look out.
Shoot! Spider-Man's not cut out for this! Watch out! No, I can't save him! Watch out, buddy! Don't get close to him! Do not get close to them! No. I need to help him. I'm Spider-Man!
Guys,
And you need-
I'm stuck in the machine. The selling machine. I'm stuck in the selling machine.
Shoot!
I'll push the button first.
No.
Shoot! Watch out! Oh no, he just died! I failed. I failed! I gotta go! I can handle these zombies.
Yeah, you can hear me. These zombies are crazy to me. They all want me.
I'm gonna retire, Spider-Man. I'm gonna retire. Do not get near that thing! Do not get near that thing! Civilian! Civilian! Do not, Nick! Do not get near that thing! Do not get near that thing! Do not get near it! Run!
Out loud.
I'll distract it! You get out of here! You get out of here! Buddy, I'm over here!
Run down the machine, bro. I don't even care anymore.
No,
S-H-R.
still in danger.
There we go.
Shoot! Shoot!
But guys, I have 2 RPGs and going there. 2 RPGs.
Oh no. Oh shoot! Shoot it! Shoot it!
Okay, Mom, I'm he's so low.
Oh my god.
I don't get so low. Be prepared for
Spider-Man, getting out of here.
Guys,
Spider-Man's
help.
retiring.
He's pretty low, actually.
Oh!
Can you teach me how to mine? Yeah. Let me
I better get out of there.
Red, I'll show you.
Red.
Okay. Let me.
Are you new? It's gonna blow up. Red, are
Spider-Man's
you new?
retiring.
No, I'm not. No, I've got
Let me get